Hey everyone, happy first day of fall. It's definitely hit us here in Southwest Ohio. Little breezy, overcast day, living up to its name. The fall is here. Um, Quick update, Monday update, closing day for us on the personal renovation loan. So we'll be closing later on this afternoon, signing all the documentation, getting everything finalized, and get the rescission period started. Since it is a refinance, it will not fund for the 3 days. And then we can get started, tearing the house apart, getting some stuff done. Obviously, we still got a bunch of stuff to pick out. Got samples we're reviewing, trying to finalize stuff, trying not to make things difficult for integrity restoration on making a lot of changes, last minute, so on and so forth. But anyways, that's the update for Monday. Renovation loan, personal home video. I believe we're at number nine. Number nine. So we'll continue, Friday. Let you know how funding goes and where we're at as far as getting construction started. Again, if you need anything, reach out to me, 513-594-9218. Thank you. Have a great week.